back at it again. Automatic gate system installation. You don't know. You see, I make all of my connection in here already. I'm burn all of my earth them already. You get me? So let me show you. Right here, one of the gate arm I come right on this column right here, so and connect to that wire. And this is the gate arm. Right? And the other one coming here. Other gate arm coming here. But I'm gonna install the battery beside this one like that. And see, I installed the control already. Yeah. So this gate system is the one that I can open the gate from anywhere over the world. Because it comes with a Wi-Fi dongle, so you can just log on the internet and open the gate. Alright, see, I make my connection inside of it already, just to mount up the battery beside it. So right now we have power coming in to go to the battery. This is the battery wire, right? And the power, the AC current that coming into this circuit here is just to charge the battery. This circuit is 12 volt. So the power to operate this circuit will be coming from the battery. Alright, as you can see, I take the power right here from that plug right here through that plug, and it come over here. So this blue wire here is my gate circuit, okay, and this brown right here is it. So I'm going to put a arm on this gate here, and I'm going to put a arm on this gate over here. So we're putting up two gate system. So another control is coming right here on the wall, and these are the wires for the gate. Yes, these are the wires for the gate control. Right now, and then this is for the next arm. Alright, this is for the next arm. So the power that coming here going to be 12 volt. And the power that coming on this one going to be 12 volt. Only this one is 110 because this going into the control, so you can charge the battery and things like that. And then I'm completing the project this afternoon. So far I'm going on fine so far. Yeah. So, and right over here, I hurting my system in the independent earth. I'm giving my system an independent earth. So I just drive this earth rod right here. So I'm going to dig out this and then channel it, go across to come up in that box with my earth wire. I'm going to burn all the earths, them right here, and then it will be going back to the panel, the main panel. Alright, I'm out. Go for the gate and try.